Hey fellow YouTubers and planners, welcome to this week's Plan With Me video. This week we're back to TV shows. I've got this kit for this week. Then we're going to have a break next week because we're going to my birthday. So there'll be a birthday spread next week. And then the following week will be the last TV show kit that I have. And then after that, we'll probably be starting on Christmas kits. Just so you know what's going to be happening kit-wise in my EC Inserts ring planner. So the kit this week is from Greywild Prints and it's called Spellman, which is based off the TV show of Sabrina the Teenage Witch. I used to watch this show as a kid, so yeah, brings back memories. These are your full boxes. Then this page here you get some appointment boxes, full and quarter. Then you get your washi, which is really pretty actually. And then you get some icons. You get these boxes here. I like using these actually because it I do like checklists, but I do like these as well. So it's nice to mix it up. They're really pretty as well, as you can see. A weekly box, your headers, your days of the week, appointment boxes, habit trackers, bilges, and a couple of full boxes. You've got some washi strips, deco, quarter appointment boxes, and then you've got this long box here, which I'll probably put on the sidebar. For numbers, I'm going to bring in these Planet Beautiful date dots here and use some of those. Yeah, so I'll do what I usually do, which is to put the foundation of the kit down, and then once I've done that, I will put in all my additional stickers so that we can so that we can talk and stuff after that. So enjoy watching. The dates I should mention. We're going into November, the 2nd through to the 8th is this week. I honestly haven't done my November planning because I've been crazy busy this week with Halloween stuff, but we will do it during the week. Yeah, so enjoy watching and I'll catch you all when I chat at the end. Okay guys, so I've got the gorgeous foundation of the kit down. I was a bit worried I wasn't going to fit my habit trackers in, but I managed to with using this sticker here. So we're just going to go through now and do the additional stickers. So first up, I'm going to use these Clear Custom Teach Today's from Planner Studio. So you just get to create your own words. I'm just going to try them. I've tried them like in boxes. So today this week we're going to try it just on the white backing, see what it looks like. Yeah, but I am thinking they need to be a bit bigger next time. That I use them. Can't believe we're in November already. My goodness. That's those down. Then, what else do we have? I decided not to use the headers. One moment. Sorry about that, guys. I had a video call come in. What else do we need? I'm going to put a ukulele sticker here. These are from Lime and Mortar. They're known as guitar stickers, but I use them as ukulele ones. I might... We'll go with this one. Okay. Then I'll need all my Christmas stickers too, won't I? So we need some washing stickers. I'm going to use my new Fox and Cactus ones. And my favorite one, which is Mount Rushmore. At the end of every week, I always have a Mount Rushmore. Washmore, sorry. So I'm just gonna chuck it here. I usually do half my washing on Sunday and the other half on Monday. So I might actually put one on Sunday as well. We'll use the smelly sock one for Sunday. What else do we need? I'm also going to need to get my Christmas planner sorted so I can do a walkthrough for you guys, and I have some more haul stuff, and yeah, I've got lots to film for you all actually. Going to use for planning Sunday one of these planner flat lays from Planner Studio. I like flat lays actually, they're really awesome to use. I do plan a bit on the Monday as well, but we'll use for the Monday because I usually do my other spreads. I might use one of these for Marshmallow Studio on the Monday. I will be filming quite a lot during the week, and I just don't specifically know when. But obviously I will be filming on Monday and the Sunday. I'm going to use my new stickers from the Little Raphael just for something different. That one there is pretty cute. Obviously I will, because I've got lots to film, some of it's like, you know, spontaneous. What else do we need? We need something to represent Happy Mail. And we might go with this one from Marshmallow Studio. Haven't used it yet. Actually, I'll put the bottom one as... It's not really going to fit actually, it's a bit big. I need something a bit smaller. Change of plans. Something a bit smaller, which would be one of these from Nutty Planning. And we'll just use this here, which is quite cute. So I always like to check my Happy Mail when it comes in. It's a good idea to do so. What else do we need? We don't have any appointments. We don't have to do that. Do need to go to the bank on Monday actually. And it is payday as well. So I'm going to use this script from Supernova stickers. I got these in a D stash. And then I'm going to put one of these from Planner Studio on there. Because I get my cash envelopes and all that jazz. As well as do my business banking. The bill that I have due is Telstra. So I don't have any stickers for that. What else do we need to do? We need to make a phone call tomorrow. So I'll use one of these from Tender Designs. And put it there. I've got so much to do and too little time, and some days like today I am out of action with my foot, so I can't do anything physical. If you don't know, I have heel joint issues, ankle joint issues, and it keeps popping out every few days on me, which is really annoying. I am due to have surgery. I'm just waiting on a date. They said it'd probably be next year sometime, so I'll have plenty of planning time up my sleeve when I'm in a cast, that's for sure. There was a sale happening for Barney and Moon tomorrow actually. And I'm gonna grab some of the $2 Tuesday packs. I might use this one here because it'll probably be on my phone that I'll do it. So these are from Ali Bell Prints. And yeah, just pop a reminder down for that. And also I need to get the new mystery kit for Planner Studio and to prepare for Black Friday sales because that's soon, hey. Saturday I usually go after work to Kmart. So we'll put a Kmart sticker on. I might put Kmart Love. These are from Pretty Little Peony. I got these ages ago, so I'm not sure if they still exist or not. But yeah, I love those ones. I'll have to do tomorrow a tidy up of my office. So I'll just not use this one, it's a nicer colour. And I'll pop it here. And I'm not sure if there's anything else really. I usually put that I need to do my work social media thing, but I'll just put that in my work planner. My Disney Plus bill actually comes out on Sunday as well, so I've got these custom Disney Plus stickers from Planet Studio just to say that that bill is coming out then, so I know that. Which reminds me, I've got my budget planning to do as well. I'll also put, I don't have many of those, so I won't actually. I track my medication, so I'll need one of these from Planet Studio. I've been really bad with my tablets this week actually, so I really need to pick up my game this week for it. And I think that is it. Yeah, so that is it. So let us go through each page and then we will pop it into the plan. So this is page 1 and this is page 2. We'll pop it in the planner. There we go, all ready to rock and roll for the week. Thank you for watching everybody. Please thumbs up if you liked the video. Please comment below if you have any comments. Please subscribe if you want to see more planning videos or planner related videos. I'll also put my Instagram in the description and as well as my Facebook page. If you didn't know, I started a Facebook page as well. For all my planner related stuff and social media stuff for YouTube. So go and like that. What else do I have to say? I think that is it until my next video, guys. So thank you for joining me today. Next week in this planner will be my birthday spread, so stay tuned for that one. See you later.